Welcome, this is PanelView Standard Operator Terminals using PanelView 32 software. This is Allen Bradley's Human Machine Interface, HMI. This course is written by Vincent Wedelich. It's an Industrial Business and Technology Training Institute Incorporated course. This course is not for resale. This course can only be sold by Vincent Wedelich. There's no other stores other than eBay and eCrater and maybe Amazon that you can buy this from. On eBay, it's PLC Training is the store, and on eCrater, it's PLC Training as well. Thank you. Industrial Business and Technology Training Institute Incorporated, IBTTI.com, is an educational institute that focuses on training engineers and technicians. This series of training courses is for educational purposes only. The purpose of this course, the primary purpose of this course is to be educational only. I'm not trying to promote any of the products that I talk about in the educational teaching course. Before you purchase or install any equipment, consult the manufacturer of the equipment. In this case, it's Allen Bradley, that you have purchased and installed the equipment per the manufacturer's safety and installation guidelines, and read all of the safety manuals. What this course covers: first we'll go over an overview of the PanelView screens, then we'll go over a communication overview, then we'll do Panel Builder basics, we'll move into working with applications and screens, and then we'll do working with objects. Next we'll move into creating push buttons, creating control list selectors, creating data entry controls, creating screen selectors. We'll create bar graphs, indicators, and numeric displays. And then finally we'll create some message displays. Then we'll move into using global objects. We'll create some alarms, add some graphics, format objects and text, using the text editor, working with tags, and then finally terminal and communication setup. And that'll be the end of the course at that point. The course credits, I used Wikipedia, I used www.ab.com, Rockwell Software Products, Panel Builder 32, version 3.82.01, obviously the Allen Bradley website, and then of course my personal insights into program for the past 16 plus years. I think I've programmed probably 200 or 300 of these little PanelView screens. An overview of the PanelView screens. They come in different flavors, if you will. On the right-hand side of the screen, at the very bottom, you see the Micro. That's the Micro 300. It's a very robust little screen. I've put them literally all over the world on a lot of offshore applications and things. One thing about screens in general, they don't really work great in full sunlight. So you need to bear that in mind. If you do have direct sunlight, even if they do say they can handle direct sunlight, they can't. It's just terrible. So you want to make sure that you either put this panel builder in something, you cover it up, or you put some type of a sun shield around it. Moving up from the bottom, you got the 500. Then behind that, I believe that's a 600. And we'll go over each individual screen. But the ones on the right here are your standard PanelView screens, and that's what this course is going to cover, the standard PanelView screens. The ones on the left are the PanelView Plus. We're not really going to talk too much about them. It's really just a CE Windows computer. I might cover that in a later course.